Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I really hope you're all doing well and you're all having a great day. So today's video is going to be a Poundland haul. I've been back to the land where everything used to be a pound, and I've picked up a few bargains, a few homeware items and a few Easter items as well. Plus I've got two items from two separate stores that I want to show you as well, Pound Stretcher and Wilko. If you'd like to see what I picked up in both Poundland, Pound Stretcher and Wilko, please keep watching. First up from Poundland, I picked up two more packs of these paint your own eggs. These have been absolutely brilliant. Oakley's already done one set already, which looked absolutely amazing. He's painted these himself using that kit. So I've gone back and picked up another two because I actually want to do a few DIYs with these myself. So hopefully I'm going to get a chance to do these DIYs. So I've picked up two of these. I also picked up these ones as well. These are egg steaks. You get 6 eggs, multiple colours. But I'm also going to use this for a DIY project as well. So I've got those. So I'm obviously showing you the Easter bits first. So I'm going to get the Easter bits out of the way and I'll show you what else I've got, okay? It's not just Easter bits, okay? So I also picked up one of these table runners to create my Easter table with. So I've got that as well. I also picked up some fairy lights. So these are quite cute. They're like daisy chains. So really spring kind of summer kind of vibe. So I put some batteries in them already. It takes 2 AA batteries. I'll just turn it on for you like that. So they are quite sweet, just to be part of my Easter decoration as well. So I got that. I also picked up one of these Easter trees as well to go with the eggs that I'm going to be decorating. So these come in different colours. I picked it up in the white. It comes in silver. They had like a blue, like glittery one as well. So next up I picked up a couple of toy items for my son Oakley. Now these are absolutely amazing. He's really into his superheroes. Like you would have seen that we did the superhero themed bedroom for him. So we got these little characters. So you got the Black Panther, you got Spider-Man, and this one is Ant-Man, I think so. Yeah, Ant-Man. So these come in at £3 each, and what they are, I just used the Black Panther ones to sort of demonstrate. You press the head down and the eyes change. So I thought those were really good. So Oakley's already opened these ones. We're going to keep them for his birthday. But yeah, he's already opened them. You know, what can you do? You know, lockdown. So I just gave them to him, you know. So we got those, and these were actually £3 each. Not bad for £3 each because they are Marvel official toys. So we got those. Absolutely brilliant. They also had like a Captain America one and some other characters. Never had the Batman one. Was actually looking out for the Batman one. That hasn't actually come into store yet. We just picked up these 3 for him. So we got those. They actually come in a clear box like so. You just push the head down and you can see the eyes changing. So that's the Spider-Man one there. We've actually got this for a gift for someone. Okay, so next up I picked up 2 packs of these stickers. So you got the alphabet stickers. So you get 2 packs for £1 in Poundland of any of their stickers. Absolutely brilliant. I also picked up batteries to put into our smoke alarms. 2 9-volt batteries in here for £1 actually. So that's those. Okay, so in the craft section, or in the mainly DIY section, sorry, I came across this, and it's called Cutout. So it's a hobby knife kit. You get 12 blades in this case in here, and you get like 2 sort of pen kind of you know, adapters to put them on, if you get what I mean. Sometimes I'm doing some DIYing around the house and I just need like a little fine sort of standing knife. So I got this. So I've got a choice now of how many blades. 12 blades. Comes in at £1 as well. Absolutely brilliant. I also picked up a pack of 60 wooden clothes pegs. I've got these to do a DIY with, so that's going to be coming up on my channel fairly soon. I actually picked up 2 packs of these. Yeah, so these are still £1 in Poundland, so that's absolutely brilliant for all of those clothes pegs. Okay, so in the DIY section, in the craft section, I picked up this chalk pencil and tape measure set. So I've got this because sometimes I do measurements before I go out shopping. You know, I want to buy some blinds or anything like that, and I forget the measurements as soon as I get in the shop, or kind of like have no clue of size when I get into the shop because everything just looks so bigger. So I've got this tape measure that I can just put into my bag, quite handy to have. So I've got this as well. Also in the DIY section, I picked up this Loctite super glue. This is the universal gel super glue, which I actually prefer than that runny super glue. You know, so I've got this. A few of Oakley's little toys have broken. You know, the legs have broken off, so I'm gonna kind of like gonna try and glue them on, you know, using this super glue. Okay, so in the fridge section, they also have these on the shelf. I picked up this box of Capri Sun. This is in the blackcurrant flavour, which Oakley absolutely loves. You get a pack of 8 for £2, which is more or less the same price as what the supermarkets are doing it for. So I've got that as well. Yeah, so in the beauty section, I think this is quite new for Poundland. They have these travel razors. Not that I'm going anywhere anytime soon, but they have these travel razors and it's called Smooth and Go. They also have a pack of 3 refill blades that goes with it. Yeah, and these came in at £1 each, so I've got those. Okay, so also in the beauty section, I picked up these artificial stick-on nails by Firm McCann. Now, do I really need these? Not really, but you know, I just like the colour of them, you know. It's this lovely pink colour, you know, so it's screaming out spring, summer kind of vibe, so that's the reason why I got them really. They're square cut nails and it's the colour Bonbon, so they actually look like those, you know, those Bonbon sweets that you can get back in the day, those classic vintage kind of sweets, the Bonbon, it's that sort of colour. So I've got those and yeah, I'm going to give those a go actually, yeah. So in the book section, I found this book there. Now this book was just a lone book, it's just on its own, just sitting there, you know. It's called The Fruit of the Table and inside you've got like loads of different recipes. The book is actually by Teresa Stories, seasonal recipes from the Green Apron Kitchen. So I've never really heard of that, you know, forgive me, I've never really heard of that. But the book itself, the content of the book is absolutely amazing. So, you know, on this page here, you've got tomato and goat's cheese tart. Delicious. I got this and this was £1 and it's a hard-backed book as well. Okay, so in the garden section, because all the gardening stuff is coming out now, isn't it? I picked up these 2 planters. Now, I thought they were going to come in a bit more than £1, but they're actually scanned at £1. They're in the Pep & Co section of all the new Pep & Co homeware. So I thought at least like £3, you know, but they scanned at £1 each. So I picked up 2 of them. So they've got the bits under there for drainage as well. You can actually just pierce through and have the drainage going through. So I've got 2 of those. Okay, so next in the Pep & Co section, I picked up this cotton bath towel. Now, I've actually got the hand towels to these from Poundland and they're absolutely amazing. They're so soft, they wash really well. You know, they always come out nice and fluffy. You know, so this bath towel comes in at £4. They also have the bath sheets, which I think are £5. So I might go back and get a couple of those as well because we're kind of refreshing the bathroom and that. So I've got those. Yes, I also picked up some items in the sale. Yes, Poundland have got a sale going on. Well, my local Poundland has got a sale going on and I was just so happy to find some of the bits that I'm going to show you. So these hats went down to 50p, so I picked up 2 of them. I also picked up this diary. Now this diary was I think £2 around Christmas time and it went down to 25p in Poundland. They had loads of them, you know. So I've got a friend who hasn't actually got a diary for this year as yet. She wasn't able to get one, so I'm just going to give this to her, you know. There's still a few months left in it. We're not halfway through the year yet, so you can get some use out of this. I wanted to pick up more, but I thought, who am I going to give them to, you know. So I've just got one for that particular friend that said that she hasn't got a diary, so that's going to be for you. You know who I'm talking about, so that's for you. Okay, so the next 2 items I'm going to show you, well, they're both the same really. Now I got these at a bargain price of £1.50 each. I couldn't believe it, honestly. Now during Christmas these were like £5 in Poundland, you know, which I thought that was really good going for £5 anyway. But the fact that they reduced down to £1.50, I picked up 2 of them. They did have other colour as well. They had like this white and silver one, and they also had like this brown sort of gold colour one. Yeah, it would have been a brown and gold colour one. Okay, it was so funny because on the shelf they had these like big sign £1.50, you know. And I thought it was odd that no one was actually picking them up, you know. I thought, why is no one picking these up? They had so many of them, you know. Yes, I picked up 2. I brought them to the self-service till, okay. Tried to scan them in and they won't scan, you know. They wouldn't scan. So the assistant came over and said, because they're not scanning, they can't sell them. Yeah, so you could imagine my face. My face just dropped. I was like, oh my goodness, you can't sell them. So he said, okay, don't worry. I'll go and speak to my manager. So he spoke to the manager, the lovely manager. She came over and she just scanned them for me, you know. I don't know how she got it scanned, but she scanned them and they came up as £1.50. So I thought, should I pick up some more? I said, no, but I really wished I picked up some more because these can go in the garden and as well, you know, it's not just for indoors. I'm going to put this one up here. So if you didn't see this at Christmas, I'm just going to show you, demonstrate how it works. So you put the batteries in and you get this flickery light going on in there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Flickery light going in there. It's got an on-off switch at the bottom as well. So I just thought this was absolutely brilliant. Even to do some DIYs with or just keep it as it is, you know, £1.50, absolutely amazing. So that was my bargain of the day, I would say, you know. But another item I'm going to show you, which I got from Pound Stretcher, okay, and there was a bit of a there was a bit of a story behind that item as well, so wait for it, guys. Okay, so this is the item that I picked up in Pound Stretcher. Okay, look how gorgeous this is. Yes, I've got this to put onto my Easter table to be like a part of the centerpiece. You know, I'm going to decorate it as well, like DIY it a little bit. So when I went into Pound Stretcher to buy this item now, there was no price on it. There was no price tag on it. Okay, again, the assistant went away, she came back, she like back and forth trying to find the price for it. So this was the only one left in the store. Yes, I really liked it. I really wanted to have it. I'm just going to put it down over here actually. So what happened is that she went back and she brought back 2 tags. So this tag here, if you can see the price on there, $5.99, and then this tag, it says $17.99, so $5.99 and $17.99. I was like, $5.99 please. I don't think I would have paid $17.99 for this. Tell me if I'm wrong, guys. You know, I'm not being a cheapskate or anything, but $17.99 for this. I think in IKEA I can get like a good size faux plant for that price, you know. And we're talking Pound Stretcher. Got it for $5.99. I'm not sure if it actually retails for $5.99. Please don't be going into Pound Stretcher and looking for this and expecting to get it for $5.99. So I'm not even sure if that's the right price, you know. It could easily be $17.99. I was well happy to pay $5.99 for it, and I got it for $5.99. So that's the story behind this item. Okay, so the next item I want to show you is from Wilko. So I've still got it in the packet. Okay, so what this is a telescopic duster. It extends to about 1.5 meters, which I think is good enough for me to sort of reach all those areas up on the ceiling and around, you know. And it comes with the 1 refill of these like fluffy dusters. So basically you can just put your regular fluffy duster thing on there and you're good to go. So I thought that was really, really good, you know. And this came in at, how much was this again in Wilko? I think this was £2.50 in Wilko. You can also fold it down like that to get into different angles, you know, different, like behind the radiator and so on. So there's one other item that I wanted to show you, and it's actually from the middle aisle in Aldi. I might as well show it to you on here because I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to do another Aldi food haul, and the next one's probably going to be an Easter one, so there's going to be loads of like foodie stuff. So I'm not sure if I want to do one around Easter, I'm not sure, but I'm going to show you this one item that I picked up for little Oakley, and it's this scooter. It's a glider scooter in the green colour. It's got LED front wheels as well, and he absolutely loves it. So that was my last item. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the love, guys, and hit the notification bell so you're notified of when I post new videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you around here. Stay safe, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.